Hi everyone, Ryan from Clancy's. Today I'm going to demonstrate a very cost-effective way to vastly improve the appearance of your machine. One of our most popular product ranges are sheet metals and grills for smaller tractors. Our 4100 here has come in, and apart from being very tidy, has got a damaged front grille. So I'm going to quickly replace it and just show you how simple and cost-effective it can be to give your machine a bit of a spruce up. Now, replacement of these grills are quite easy. All we need to do is simply remove the clips, pull it out from the bottom, just check that the surround is still rather straight, and then we need to just insert this, which is ready to go, utilising the existing mounts from the original OEM cowl. Now, before we insert the grill, you just want to make sure that the mounting points here haven't been damaged by any frontal impact, and that the surround of the grill itself is free from any obstruction, which will make installation a lot easier. Now is also a good time to check if you'd like to replace the rubbers. These are available, or if you need to adjust these lights, they will slide forward and backwards by adjusting these bolts here. To insert, it's as simple as aligning these bottom holes onto the tabs at the bottom. Simply pushing into place. Then we insert our screws.